So this is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. I've reviewed this AI applications book before in 2025. We're taking a look on it again in 2026. Very good AI application, and I do think it needs another review. So here at the home screen, you pretty much have to enter your prompt. You can pretty much enter anything that you want to generate on this application here. And if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on the bulb icon there, and it will just give you something. As well, you can tap on the X and tap on it again to pretty much change. So that's pretty much all you get or into the prompt, or if you want to enter something for yourself. And as well, down here you have the styles. You have a lot of styles which you can choose from. You can tap on the see all option. As you can see, here quite a lot of styles which you can choose from to generate your AI image. So I'm going to select this option here and select this. So I'm gonna go ahead and generate my image. But before I do that, we need to use the settings option here, which I can then as well select whichever AI model I want to use. With this application here, you have the default option, and you have other options here which you can use as well. Other popular AI models which you can use. But some of them, as you can see here with the Chrome icon, you're going to need a subscription to use those as well as this one here. This is pretty much their model that you'll be using with the library option there. Well, that's really pretty much it for that. You can select the aspect ratio of the image that you want to generate. And as well, this one here, the 19 by 16 aspect ratio, you will need a subscription to use that one. And as well, you can generate up to 4 images, but you only have access to 2 if you don't have the subscription. And as well, you will be given a watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you pretty much have to get the subscription. So we'll make sure if you purchase a subscription, we'll make sure you go into the settings here and pretty much enable this here. So if you don't do that, it won't enable itself. As well, you have the advanced settings. You can tap on this and you to include negative prompts and things that I don't want in the prompts. As well, if I want a better image, you can set up the step processing option here, and as well, this will pretty much require a subscription. As well, you have different options here, as you can see here, enhanced prompt, and those will require you to get a subscription. So that's really pretty much it. But once you have set up everything needed, you can just tap on the create option here. Once you do tap on the create option, we'll load up my ads. As you can see here, we'll load up my ads up to 3 ads as you can see here at the top. Just watch out all of the ads and you should be good to go. So once it's finished, you just tap on the X option at the top and it should be removed. And then your image will start being pretty much start generating. As you can see, this is pretty much the results of the image being generated. And here you have the watermark. As I said before, if you want to remove the watermark, you have to get your subscription. And as well as you can see, these are the image that's been generated. If I did have the subscription, I'll be able to pretty much add up to 4 images, add 2 more images here. And as well, you can tap on the option here to go ahead and change anything that you want in the image. Pretty much recreating something similar or editing the prompt to make something better. Either one that works for you. So that's pretty much it for that. You can also tap on the search icon here to change what you have generated. Let's say you don't like this one, you want to use the same prompt, you just tap on this option here and it will generate something different from this here. As well, you can download it straight to your gallery and as well as show the difference in the file. So at the top here, you have the HD option if you want to increase the quality of the image. You pretty much have to get a subscription for this. However, so when you tap on this here at the top, you'll be able to increase the resolution of the image, but you will need a subscription to use this feature. So that's really pretty much it. I'm just going to exit this option here. And in the avatar section, as you can see here, all I have to do is pretty much upload a clear 10 to 20 clear image of yourself and you pretty much get these results. Very easy. As you can see here, anime like cartoon images like of you. All I have to do is pretty much upload a picture of yourself. So for the subscription, you pretty much can go at the top here where it says Pro. And as you can see here, what you'll be getting as you release your subscription, their prices and everything. They do offer a 3 days free trial, as you can see here. then you will start paying your weekly fee. And as well, they do offer a lifetime subscription, and you can see how much credits you'll be getting with each subscription. So as you can see, a weekly subscription you'll be getting 1,000 credits, and pretty much, I'm not sure about a lifetime subscription, but I'm guessing you should be getting 1,000 credits per day as it relates to the lifetime subscription. So that's very much it for this application. Very, very good application, and I've got out to review it again. And if you have this anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you. See you in the next one.